Here comes the money. People, have you ever wondered about the term Forex? It stands for foreign exchange market, the place where currencies are traded. Imagine a bustling marketplace, but instead of vegetables and spices, it's dollars, euros, yen, and more. Every day, trillions of dollars change hands in this global marketplace, making it the largest financial market in the world. Why is it so big? Because it's essential for international trade and investment. Think about it. When a US company buys goods from China, they need to pay in yuan, not dollars. That's where Forex comes in. Forex trading involves predicting whether a currency's value will rise or fall against another. It's a game of speculation, and like all games, it comes with risks and rewards. So before diving in, it's wise to learn the ropes, understand the market trends, and possibly consult a financial advisor. Remember, in the world of Forex, knowledge is power. So keep learning, stay informed, and make wise decisions. That's your quick introduction to Forex. Until next time, stay financially savvy.